Are you ready to elevate your heavy equipment operations to new heights? At Interstate Heavy Equipment, we specialize in providing top-notch training and certification programs for operators seeking excellence in their field. Discover our expert-led training. Learn from industry professionals with hands-on experience, covering everything from equipment fundamentals to advanced techniques. Our comprehensive courses are designed to empower operators with the skills needed for safe and efficient heavy equipment operation. Number 1, hands-on training facilities. Experience state-of-the-art training facilities equipped with the latest machinery. Our hands-on approach ensures that you not only understand the theory but can confidently apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Number 2, certification for success. Achieve industry-recognized certification upon completion of our programs. Stand out in the competitive job market with credentials that showcase your commitment to excellence in heavy equipment operation. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com. Explore our website at interstateheavyequipment.com for detailed course information, schedules, and more. Your journey to becoming a certified heavy equipment operator starts here. Contact us today. Ready to get started? Call us at 469-370-7501 to speak with our friendly team. We're here to answer your questions and guide you toward a successful career in heavy equipment operation. Don't just operate. Operate with excellence. Join Interstate Heavy Equipment for unparalleled training and certification.